Hello, my name is Boris. Welcome to my channel. Now today I've got a chest workout for you that you can do at home, and each round consists of 55 push-ups. Now you can do it on your knees, you can do it on your toes, or you can even make it harder and make it like 55 clap push-ups, and you're doing it in a pyramid. So first you're starting with 10 push-ups, then 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So that's one round. Now you can go up, so you go from 1 to 10 also. So you do as many of those rounds as you can. I suggest you try and aim for 1 if you're a beginner. If you're more advanced, go for 2. And if you're really into your calisthenics push-up training, you can even go for 5 of these rounds. So just adapt it to what your level is, and also the progression that you're working with. You know, it has to allow you to do your 55 push-ups, but here is how it would look. Okay, I'm gonna do that myself, and then obviously you can stay and watch the video and see how I get on, or you can just go and do it yourself. Now, if you don't know how a push-up looks or how to do it, I'm going to explain it to you now, so also stay for that if you don't know how to do your push-ups. Okay, so let's start. So we're going to begin with the easier variation of a push-up. Now you can also elevate your hands onto a higher object, which will make all your push-ups easier if that's what you need to do. But here is our push-up on our knees. So first, align your hands with your shoulders. Now take a big step back so you're on your toes, and then join with the other foot. Now you're going to drop down onto your knees, but by dropping down onto your knees, I don't mean by bringing your knees to your arms. You just literally dropping down onto your knees, and this should put you in a good position. Now if your hands are slightly in front of your shoulders now, when you did bend your legs, make sure you bring them back just slightly so they're nicely in line, and then here you're going to bring your whole body towards the ground and then up. Okay, just make sure everything's nice and straight. You can record yourself to see how you do it. Now let's go for the full push-up. So here again, same thing, keeping everything tight and everything straight, and you're bringing it all the way down and all the way up. Okay, so this is or even actually, you can also do like a clap push-up, like I said, to make it harder. So if you would go for some clap push-ups and work down this way, okay?
Seeing monsters at your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero, 'cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat. You know I'll come running. If you go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarm, when the chaos is rising, leading the charge, yeah, I'm coming out fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army. When your nightmares turn to real life and the ground's filled up with landmines, we will face it, standing side by side. You know I'll come running when you need. I'm coming. You know I'll come running. If you go to war, then I'm going with you. When you sound the alarms and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, I'm coming, I'll fight and swear on the breath that I breathe.
Hope you enjoyed this workout. Now let me know how many rounds you did down in the comment section below, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Also, if you have any ideas, drop them down below and I'll try and make these videos for you, okay?